Yeah, you can use these. Don't.
Flip it.
There, you gotta share with the blocks. There. God.
Watch the back of the table.
Yep. Gigi, what are you building?
And this for black.
Oh no, what happened? Oh no, Keegan.
Oh my God, was that Keegan?
Yes.
Keegan, you're making a long short building, huh? Now look at what she's doing.
Look
Super.
at now. You can't.
Gianna, doesn't your voice hurt already?
You can't.
Anything's better than flying.
Oh no. Gianna, there's more blocks on the floor. Let's gather them all up. Gianna, go. Gianna, go. Here you go, Keegan. There you go. Here you go. There's more blocks. I got a ton of blocks.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Blocks are ready.
Okay.
You don't want any more? Okay.
About her touching his building.
Yes, I can't say. Ow!
What happened? What? A block hit your foot?
Yeah.
It fell on your foot?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, why didn't I think of that?
Who made that sound?
I don't know. Who made the sound?
Wasn't me.
Daisy made that.
Uncle Matt, that's right.
Gianna just ratted me out.
Uncle Matt made that sound.
Matt,
Yeah.
where's
What
him?
is the sound? What's that sound make?
What's that sound make?
What sound?
What sound? I don't hear anything.
I said, what was that?
Oh, I heard something. There it is again.
Do it again.
Let's listen. Go like this. Gianna, do this. Listen.
What does it sound like? Does it sound like the wind?
Oh, it's really windy outside.
No. That sounds like a wind.
No?
No.
What does it sound like?
Gianna, what does that sound like?
A cow.
A cow?
Let's hear the cow. Listen.
What's that sound?
Ooh. What the hell? Also,